Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Ajay Kumar Gupta and at present I am pursuing MSc Master in Science and recently I have completed my graduation in Maths and overall I have 6 years of teaching experience in academic sector. Guys, today in this video we will discuss about coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? What is Cartesian plane? What is axis, x-axis, y-axis, what is origin? All these terms we will cover today. First question is, what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is the study of geometry by using coordinates. Actually, coordinate geometry is the branches of mathematics in which we study about the geometry by the help of coordinates. Coordinate geometry is also known as analytical geometry and Cartesian geometry also. Okay. A second question is, who invented coordinate geometry? Who is the founder of coordinate geometry? Who is discoverer of coordinate geometry? So answer is René Descartes. René Descartes is the mathematician who is from France, and around 1630 he invented coordinate geometry. Okay. From exam point of view, this chapter is going to be very important for class 9th and class 10th students, because this chapter you will also read in class 11, 12 and graduation also. Okay, in daily life also this coordinate geometry chapter is very useful because there are large number of application in the field of trigonometry, calculus, dimensional geometry, function and many more. So guys, you understood this chapter is very important for us and we must have to read very carefully. Before going to this topic, we must have to understand what is axis, origin, quadrant, sign convention. Okay. First is axis. What is axis? Perpendicular line which are part of Cartesian plane. Suppose this is Cartesian plane. This is Cartesian plane, and this is the axis. Both are axis, and because this is a part of Cartesian plane, so it is called axis. And there are two types of axis: x-axis, horizontal axis is known as x-axis, and vertical axis is known as y-axis. These two axes intersect at a point which is known as origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Okay, and this is x coordinate, and this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. We named it x, this is O, and this is x dash, so it become x O x dash, and this is y O and y dash, y O and y dash. Y O y dash is the name of y axis, and x O x dash is the name of x axis. Okay, horizontal line is called x axis and vertical line is called y axis. And what is origin? The intersecting point of both axis, x axis and y axis. The intersection point of x axis and y axis is known as origin. And what is the coordinate of origin? 0, 0. X is also 0 and y is also 0. What is quadrant? The x axis and y axis divide the plane. The x axis and y axis divide the plane into 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 4 part is called quadrant in coordinate geometry. First quadrant, in second quadrant, in third and fourth. In this order, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Guys, now we are going to understand sign convention. There are few rules in coordinate geometry, like right side on x-axis from origin. Right side on x-axis from origin is taken as positive, and left side on x-axis from origin is taken as negative. Similarly, for y-axis, upward from origin is positive and downward from origin is negative. Okay, and any point on a Cartesian plane is denoted by a 2 number. Let number is a, b. Then first letter denote x coordinate, and second letter b denote y coordinate. X coordinate first letter and y coordinate second letter. Okay, and x coordinate is also known as abscissa. What? Abscissa. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. And distance from x axis, this is x axis, and distance from x axis for any point is known as ordinate. Similarly, distance from y-axis for any point is known as abscissa or x coordinate. Okay, and third, any point on x-axis is x comma 0 and any point on y-axis is 0 comma y. Any point on x-axis is x comma 0 and any point on y-axis is known as 0 comma y. Now we will understood all these points through graph. Okay, clearly what we have learned today, this is Cartesian plane, this is Cartesian plane, and this is horizontal, this is vertical line known as y-axis, and this is horizontal line known as x-axis, and both intersect each other at O, and this point is known as origin. Okay, and this plane is divided into 4 parts, or 4 regions by x-axis and y-axis. This is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant in the same order. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth. And now here is a point A, here is a point A, and what is the coordinates of point A? Listen, first is x, first number represent x-axis, so 1 2 3 4, first is 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and upward 1 and 2, 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 is 4 comma 2 is the coordinates of A, in which 4 is abscissa and 2 is ordinate. Similarly, for point B, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and upward 4, 6 comma 4. 6 is x coordinate and 4 is y coordinate, or 6 is abscissa and 4 is ordinate. Getting? Similarly, in this, for F, x is minus 3 and y is 1, x is minus 3 and y is 1, it become minus 3 and 1. For E, x is minus 5 and y is 3, minus 5 and 3. Similarly, in G, left side, this is origin, from left side minus 6 and downward 2, minus 2. For H, left side minus 4 and downward minus 4, minus 4 and minus 4. Minus 4 is x coordinate and minus 4 is also y coordinate here. For C, x is 5, right side taken as positive and downward taken as negative, minus 3. For D, right side 7 and downward minus 5. From this example, we conclude that any point on x-axis is taken as positive and positive, because x is also positive and y is also positive. X is positive and y is positive. In second quadrant, x is taken as negative and y is positive. So in second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, x is negative, see minus 6, minus 4, and y is also negative, minus 2, minus 4, both are negative between minus and minus. In fourth quadrant, x is positive right side and y is downward negative, plus and minus. Okay. Now what is the coordinate of origin? Origin is 0 0. Coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. And any point on first quadrant is positive and any point on second quadrant is negative positive, and third quadrant both are negative, and fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. Guys, now we are going to discuss what is the coordinate of the point lying on a axis. From this example we will learn it very clearly. Listen, let a point A is here and point B is here and point C is here and point D is here. What is the value of C? What is the coordinate of C? X-axis 2 and upward 6. This is 2 and 6. Similarly, what is the value of B? X-axis 2 and upward 2 and 4. This is 2 and 2, and for this it become 2 and 0. We are not moving upward, we stop here on an axis itself, we are not going upward or downward, so y becomes 0. Similarly, any point on x-axis for 2 is 0, for this point 4 0, for this point 6 and 0. In all case we notice that x is varying but y is 0. So any point lie on a x axis is known as x comma 0, where x is variable, x may be anything 1 2 4 6 anything, and y is constant and y is 0. Any point which lie on a x axis is represented by x comma 0. Similarly for y axis, any point lie on a y axis is 0 comma y. 0, x is 0 and y will be vary. Guys, in this short demo video of coordinate geometry, we learn what is coordinate geometry, what is Cartesian plane, who invented Cartesian geometry or coordinate geometry, what is x-axis, what is y-axis, what is origin, what is abscissa, what is ordinate, and how to plot these points on a graph. Hope you understood. There are few formula also in coordinate geometry, like distance formula, section formula, midpoint formula. These all we will learn in next class. Okay, thanks.